Hello everyone. Today we will see the blood supply of breast. That is both arterial supply and venous supply. The vein follow the arteries. So first we will see the arterial supply. First we will draw. Now this is the internal thoracic artery and it is the branch of subclavian artery. So it's give blood supply from the medial side. So these are the internal thoracic artery. Internal thoracic artery. These are. Now the next supply is from the lateral thoracic artery, superior thoracic artery and the acromion thoracic artery, which are the branches of axillary artery. Now first we will see which is the axillary artery. So this is our axillary artery. This is our axillary artery. Now from this axillary artery, three branches or three arteries arise which supply to the breast. First is superior thoracic artery. So this is superior thoracic artery. Second branch arising is acromiothoracic artery, which arises near the acromion process. This is the acromiothoracic artery. And the third branch is lateral thoracic artery, which arises from here. Now this is the lateral thoracic artery. So these three branches arise from axillary artery. And the last arterial supply is from the lateral branches of the posterior intercostal arteries. Now these are the branches from posterior intercostal arteries. So this is the arterial supply of breast. There is a point that anterior part is highly vascular, but the posterior part or posterior surface of the breast remains avascular. Now we will see the venous supply. Venous supply is mostly follows the artery. So same branches will supply the venous supply. There is no other way from where the venous supply. The veins always follow the arteries everywhere. So the naming of all the branches of vein are mostly same. So this we have done the blood supply of breast. Thank you. Now we will see how to remember these arteries. See, this artery is the internal thoracic artery which arises from the subclavian artery. So these branches are internal thoracic. See, this is the center, this is the division of a body, and this is the medial part, this is the medial part, and this is the lateral part. So it is internal thoracic because lying near the medial part, so internal. Now this is lateral side, so lateral thoracic artery. Acromiothoracic artery means arising near the acromion process. Here somewhere here will be our acromion process, and this whole big artery, this is the main artery which is known as axillary artery. From here arises three branches. that can be named as LAS. From down to top, L lateral thoracic artery, A acromiothoracic artery. See, thoracic is common in all the three. Only you have to name lateral, acromio and superior thoracic. Superior means it's coming from upward, so superior. It's coming near the acromion process, so acromiothoracic. And this is from the lateral side of the body, so lateral thoracic. And this last is the branch from posterior intercostal artery. So these branches come from backward, from back of the breast. So posterior and intercostal, this is the intercostal region, intercostal artery. Now we will see the nerve supply of breast. So this is second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. So breast is supplied by anterior and lateral cutaneous branches of 4th to 6th. These are the areas, 2nd to 6th intercostal areas, and the nerve supply is from 4th to 6th intercostal nerves. Means from here, 4th to 6th blood is supplied. These are the nerve supplies. So these branches are medial branch of thoracic intercostal nerves. We have seen that arteries and veins also arise from here only of intercostal area. And now these are lateral side. This is the lateral side, so lateral branch of thoracic intercostal nerves. And from top, it is supplied by supraclavicular nerves. From here, this is the clavicle. This is the clavicle region. From here, supraclavicular nerves. These are supraclavicular nerves. So this was the nerve supply of breast. So one nerve come from above the clavicle, so supraclavicular. One from the medial side, so medial branch of thoracic intercostal nerve, and one from the lateral branch, so lateral side, so lateral branch of thoracic nerve. And the areas and the branches are from 4th to 6th intercostal area. Thank you.